Full body whitening. It may not be everyone's favorite fruit, but papaya is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It's not just great for your health and well-being, but can also be used as a home remedy to nourish your skin and bring back its natural glow. This is mostly because of an active enzyme that is naturally found in papaya, particularly under the peel of unripe papaya, which is called papain. Papain is said to work effectively in exfoliating dead skin cells and improving skin tone. It's a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins A, C and E, pantothenic acid, folate, magnesium and potassium, and can be easily found in the market without being heavy on your wallet. So if you are looking for easy home remedies to whiten your skin, you should make use of papaya and reap its amazing benefits. Benefits of using papaya in your skin. The potassium present in papaya can hydrate the skin and keep it from becoming dull or dry. Papaya may protect the skin from harmful free radicals that are responsible for premature aging. Papaya contains flavonoids that make it an excellent antibacterial and antifungal agent. Papaya is said to help increase collagen production in the skin, which makes the skin soft, firm, and supple. Ripe papaya can act as a mild exfoliator. It gently removes dead skin cells from your face and makes your skin radiant and younger looking. It may also clear dirt and oil that can lead to acne and breakouts on the face. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain that can act as a depilatory agent, helps remove unwanted hair. Papaya is rich in healing enzymes that may help treat sunburns or soothe irritated skin. Papaya is also used as a home remedy to improve skin tone by reducing dark spots and blemishes. Since it has antifungal properties, papaya may also help treat topical fungal infections. So, here we have 2 amazing home remedies to whiten your skin at home. 1. Basic recipe of papaya for skin whitening. The easiest way to reap benefits of papaya is to massage the papaya peels on not only your face but also hands, elbows and knees. You can massage the papaya peel gently for a minute or 2 and rinse off in 15 to 30 minutes. The results are instant. You might notice reduction in tanning right away and reducing in hair growth with constant use. 2. Papaya and Multani Mitti for clear skin. Multani Mitti helps cleanse the skin thoroughly. It aids the removal of excess dirt and sebum from your skin. This makes the skin appear bright. You will need 3 to 4 cubes of ripe papaya, 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth, water or rosewater for mixing. Adjust the quantity. What you have to do: mash the papaya and mix it with Multani Mitti. Add water or rosewater to prepare the paste. Spread it over your face and let it dry. Wash it afterward. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.